Everyone, this is class 1 fragrance book of chapter 18th, Goldilocks. Name of the chapter is Goldilocks. First we will read the story of this Goldilocks, then we will discuss about question answer. So the story is, one day Goldilocks is lost in the forest. She sees a cottage there, does not know how to reach it. Help Goldilocks reach the cottage. So first you have to draw the lines to reach the Goldilocks. You have to help Goldilocks to reach this cottage. After that, you see in this story, Goldilocks goes into the cottage. So we are talking about the same cottage that you helped Goldilocks to reach this cottage. So Goldilocks goes inside the cottage and on the table. So in that cottage, Goldilocks saw on a table, she sees there 3 balls of porridge. Porridge is just a dish. She tastes the porridge from the first bowl. It is too hot. So, first bowl porridge was too hot. So, she tastes the porridge from the second bowl. It is too cold. Second bowl porridge was too cold. So, she tastes the porridge from the last bowl. It is just right. So, she eats up the porridge. So, she ate all of the porridge from the last bowl. It means the smallest bowl. So, now Goldilocks goes into the next room. After eating the porridge, Goldilocks went inside other room and she sees 3 chairs. The first one is too big, the second one is also big, but the third one is just right. She sits on it and swings. So after sitting, Goldilocks swings on that chair and the chair breaks. Goldilocks cries loudly. She gets up. She goes to the other room. So when chair broke, that time Goldilocks cried and then she went other room. So she is 3 beds. So the first bed is too long. The second bed is also big. First bed is too big. Second bed is also big. The third bed is just right. She climbs on it and sleeps. So third bed was just right. So Goldilocks sleeps. The bears come back because the house was of bear. They see the balls. Baby bear cries because there is no porridge in my ball. Baby bear says there is no porridge in my ball. They go to the next room and baby bear sees his chair and then cries because the chair was broken. So now they go to the next room. They see Goldilocks asleep on the bed. Baby bear cries. Someone sleeps on my bed. Goldilocks get up. Goldilocks smile at the 3 bears. The bears also smile at her. Baby bear and Goldilocks become friends. All are happy. So some questions that you can complete in book as well as in copy, but some questions that you have to complete only in copy. So this question number 1 we will complete in copy. Question number 2, how many bears live in the cottage? So 3. Here you can do. And after that, question number 5, filling the blanks. Goldilocks goes into the next room. So room you will write ROOM. She sees 3, THREE, 3 chairs. The first one is too big. The second one is also big. The third one is just right. So you will write here right, RIGHT. Now question number 4 of think and answer you will complete in book. How should we greet our guests when they come home? So by saying hello, or by saying thank you, or by saying bye. So you just tick by saying hello. Now you see here use of the, and this part is of grammar. Read these sentences. Manu has a dog. The dog is big. Why they have used the here? Because they are talking about the same dog that Manu has. So the same dog is there, so that's why the you can use before dog. In the above sentences, a dog means any dog, but whereas the dog means the dog that Manu has. So we use the with things when it is clear which thing we are talking about. So when it is clear that which thing we are talking about, then we can use the before the name of that thing. So we have already mentioned the thing. So complete the following sentences with a and or the. Anu watched. So Anu watched a cartoon, any cartoon, but Cartoon was very funny. So, which cartoon? The cartoon that Anu watched. I eat an egg for breakfast. So, mother gave me an apple. Before apple, you can use an, and the apple was sweet. Which apple? Same apple that mother gave. So, the you can use before apple. There is a shop near my house, but they are talking about the same shop. So, the shop sells toys. My sister is a teacher. Now you come to the next page. In, on, under, near, over, and behind. You can see here this picture. Look at the picture, and now there the ducks are in the pond. You can see ducks are there in the pond. The monkey is on the tree, and the girl is sitting under the tree, and the boy is standing behind the fence. You can see here, but the words in, on, under, behind tell where the things and persons are. It means these all words tell that where the things and persons are. These all words are called prepositions. So look at the picture and circle the correct prepositions. The cat is on or in or near the basket. So correct word is for the cat will be in. So you can circle in. The boy is on, in, or under the umbrella. So under will be the correct option. You can circle under. The man is on, in, or behind the horse. So on is correct. You can circle on. The child is behind the curtain. So you can circle behind. Goldilocks is sleeping on the bed. So on you can circle. The dog is jumped over the fence. Over you can circle. Here some sentences are there. You can make more pairs and more words you can use instead of these red words. What does the girl have in the bag? So the girl has books in the bag. So what do birds have for breakfast? Birds have grains for breakfast. So like these sentences we can make more sentence by using these words. Now read aloud. Cat, pan, dam, sad, car, bark, part, and card. Now you can see here, listen to the poem and underline the words in each line that rhyme with the words in the circle. So you can take out the page number 112 to read the poem. So 112, first you have to take out. Here. Now Goldilocks, Jack and Jill. So you can see here, hill, pill, fell, tell, crown, and brown. These all are rhyming words, but once you read they went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. So these all words you can underline: pill, till, and brown. And now look at the pictures and complete these sentences. Elephant, ant. So an elephant is a big, but an ant is small. So Raja is tall, but Rahul is short. Now you can use A, E, I to complete these words. This one is wheel. So W, H already written, double E you put, and L has already written. B, A, and A, and A. So 3 places you will write only A. And P, I, and pin. Now you can complete these sentences also. So use words in place of the given picture, then read the story. So a dog walks out of his, here will be kennel. So the dog where dog lives, it is called kennel. He finds a bone, he passes a pond, he sees himself in water, he thinks it is another dog. Then he wants his bone, the dog barks loudly, the bone falls into the pond. So this one was the story. Now some questions that I told you that we will complete in copy. So some questions are here. Where does Goldilocks get lost? So Goldilocks gets lost in the forest. Now, second question, how many bears live in the cottage? 3 is the correct answer. And what does Goldilocks see on the table? So Goldilocks sees 3 balls of porridge on the table. What does Goldilocks eat from the bowl? So Goldilocks eats porridge from the bowl. Now, more questions are there. Filling the blanks, Goldilocks goes into the next room. She sees 3 chairs. The first one is too big, the second one is also big, the third one is just right. Now, someone sleeps on my bed. Who says these words? So baby bear says these words. Who sleeps on the bed? Goldilocks sleeps on the bed. Now think and answer. Why does Goldilocks sit on the small chair? So Goldilocks sit on small chairs because it is just right for her. Now you can see, why does Goldilocks not sleep in Papa's bear's bed? So bear's bed is too big, so Goldilocks does not sleep in his bed. Why do you think all are happy? Baby bears and Goldilocks become friends, so all are happy. How should we greet our guests when they come home? By saying hello. Thank you for watching this video. In next video, we will complete chapter 19 of Fragrance English Reader.